have discussed life-changing mantras, we have discussed life-changing scenarios, we have discussed how to respect others, we have discussed how to criticize your own self, we have discussed how to analyze your own self, we discussed the career balancing of career and relationship. Nearabouts, I've tried to touch each and every point which is affecting your growth, which is affecting the scenario, which is affecting the grooming up of your own personality. And one thing I'm left out with, and I consider it is the most important one, and I think this is the best one to be discussed in the last therapy. So the next month, from where we are to where we want to be, the 13 mantras that will change your life, the 13 mantras that is definitely giving you a groom up personality, and I hope the mantras that all have shared with you is gonna be useful for you and you're applying your own self. So the next mantra, the last mantra is love your own self, appreciate your own self. We have discussed how to respect others. We have discussed how to appreciate others. But here I am going to discuss with you how to appreciate your own self. How to appreciate your own self. In this thing, I am just going to analyze and just going to give 2-3 points on how to do that. Firstly, you have to combine two things, your achievements and appreciation. Set out a goal, set out a task for your own self, achieve that task and give reward to your own self. Set out a task, achieve it and give reward to your own self. In meaning, whenever you are trying to achieve something, you desire for demand, you desire for reward, and you always expect that reward from other ones. You always expect that I've achieved this thing, someone will appreciate me, I've achieved this thing, someone will give you some reward out of it. But no. In my point of view, what I used to apply on myself, how I used to achieve my goals, when I used to achieve my targets, is the fact that I used to set a target for my own self, achieve it and give reward to my own self. Like in this recent thing, when it was my birthday, what I did is, on my birthday, I gifted a phone to myself. I set out a target that I will achieve this target till my birthday, and I have achieved it. And on my birthday, I gifted that phone to me. And that will be a kind of a motivation for you. Unless until I would achieve it, I won't get this thing. जब आपको वो happiness मिलेगी ना, when you will get the thing, that will be double one, because आपने अपना target भी achieve कर लिया है, and you got one more thing from your own self, from your own happiness thing. And my next target is to buy a guitar for my own self, and I have set out a target. I will set out a target. The day I will achieve the target, I will buy that guitar for my own self, because I am really crazy to learn guitar. I am really crazy for these things. So, but before getting this thing, I have to achieve a target. So this will work out as a appreciation, motivation for you to achieve your goals, achieve your dreams, and get other things done from your own self. Okay. So the second point is love your own self. That was the appreciate and achieve the targets. Love your own self. Love the qualities you have. I've taken many sessions, and in my sessions, if I ask someone, what's your positive points? What are your qualities? And they're like, ma'am, please give me 5 minutes. Ma'am, please give me 10 minutes. I have to think about it. And the time I'll ask you, you have to tell something about the other person. Like we are very very familiar with the gossip things, right? And हम first look में किसी के बारे में instant अपने statement दे सकते हैं. And we do that. Normally we do that. कि हम first look में किसी के बारे में statement दे सकते हैं. And when it comes to us, we are like, we have to think about it. We don't know about our own self. And when it comes to others, we are just instant about it. And give the damn very statements. But here I am saying, you must be aware what qualities you have. You must be aware what positive points you have. You must be aware what are the criteria that you have to appreciate. Like what what I did, okay, and I just recommend you to do is just analyze the positive points, right? That if I do this thing, that is my positive point. If I do this thing, I will dance on a song, right? I will sing this song. I will buy a chocolate for me. This is very short term things, very short term things, and I used to easily do that because I love to dance, right? And when I choose that thing, अगर मैं ये काम करूँगी, then I will dance. And balance, third point is to balance the things, balance the life. Analyze it कि आपने सारे दिन में क्या काम किया, सारे दिन में what you have done, what the positive things you have done it, what the negative things you have done it. When you have done positive things, you feel happy about it. I have done this thing and this is the good one, and I never expect this thing from myself, but I did it. So for that thing, what you have to do is appreciate yourself. For that thing, give reward to yourself. And for the negative thing, criticize yourself. For negative thing, just say no to yourself. Just say no to self. आज मैंने ये काम कर लिया है, tomorrow, from day tomorrow, I won't do it. The time you will say to yourself, you will analyze कि yes, this is a negative point I have. It's not like that कि आपको बैठ के ये सोचना है अच्छा मेरी ये नेगेटिव क्वालिटीज़ हैं, मेरी पॉजिटिव क्वालिटीज़ हैं, बट यू हैव टू एनालाइज कि ये डे में अगर मैंने ये काम किया है, इट वॉज गुड और नॉट, इट इज़ फेयर इनफ और नॉट, एंड when you will do it, you feel like yes, I am improving myself. Yes, I am improving myself. Fourth point, health is wealth. Healthy, fit mind will give you great sense of consciousness with a great sense of happiness. Unless and until you are not healthy, you won't able to enjoy the life. You won't able to enjoy what you are doing. Because आपको अगर काम enjoy भी कर रहे हो ना, you know this, I enjoy this work, but your health is not allowing it. So you won't enjoy your life. So give time to your health tips. Give time to yourself for workouts. Give time for running, give time for exercises, give time for cycling, give time for skipping, give time for yoga, give time for walking. Anything you like it. Anything you like it. But just give a little bit, not much I'm talking about. Just give half an hour to yourself in the morning or in the evening as you feel comfortable. Just give half an hour to yourself and you will feel the difference. You feel that yes, I am feeling that my body is that much energetic and my body is that much happy from your own self. Yes, I am fit, I am fit, I am fit. When you will be fit, your mind is healthy, you will get positive vibes, you will get good things to think about. So these are the just small tips and just end of my mantras tip, and I hope you found it useful and you will analyze the happiness around and you will keep on applying it to yourself and you give rewards to yourself. You don't expect rewards from other ones, don't expect the things from other ones, just set the targets, get it done and get the reward for yourself. That is fair enough, I guess. That is fair enough. So that's all from my mantra. That's all. That was the very last video. So that's all from my mantras. I will keep on discussing the things with you. You can share the tips. You can share the points. You can share the topics you want me to discuss. You want any tips from me. You want any advices from me. You are free to convey to me. I am all time available. So I will try to touch the topics that you will assign to me, I say. So that's it from my mantras. So that's it for the life-changing videos. I am feeling very touchy kind of thing because it's last mantra. I wish I can carry this series on, but no, I will no. So that's all. Thank you so much for liking my videos. Thank you so much for giving me such good response that I was not expecting at all. And do share the videos with the other persons you feel like ये उनके लिए relevant होंगी. And do give your comments, do give your reviews, do give your suggestions to me. How can I improve? How can I add on the other things? And what you positive find out of my videos? Thank you so much. Thank you for keeping with me. Thank you for connecting with me. And stay happy, stay healthy, and value the relations you have earned in your life. Thank you so much.